Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. So, remember last time I talked about on how to enhance color on your project. So today, I want to talk about compositions and also the layout. I think most of you confused where to put the images, where to put the graphic, where to put the text or headline or something like that. So I'm here to help you.
What is layout and composition? Layout is the arrangements of elements in a design. Meanwhile, composition is the arrangements of elements in a creative work. Why it is very important to know? Because layout and compositions convey the messages effectively, especially in advertising field. There are 5 basic principles: proximity, white space, alignment, contrast, and repetition. The first one is proximity. Proximity is a technique of organization. Things that are related should be close together, while things that are unrelated should be further apart. For example, make sure all related items or information are grouped together. Next, white space. These 2 paragraphs have different white space. The right one is easier to read, meanwhile the left one is very hard to read. It's because white space helps you define and separate different sections. The third one is alignment. Did you ever notice when you type a document such as emails, the text and paragraph is aligned automatically? Next, grid. Grid make your design cleaner and more efficient and easier to adapt. Contrast. Contrast helps organize your design and establish a hierarchy. Hierarchy simply shows which parts of your design are most important. Then, decide which elements you want the reader to notice first. The last principle is repetition. Repetition is a consistency of look and feel. For example, use the same color palette, use the same typeface, and use the same header style. So now, I'm going to teach you on how to enable grid and center text in Photoshop. The first step is to open your file. To enable grid, go to View and click Show and click Grid. After that, if you want to make a ruler, Ctrl R.
It is important to know compositions and also layout. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Bye!